Yeah, so I touched this car and it went off.
Yeah.
And they're not here yet, so it's loud, and this guy doesn't like it.
Show that and say, hey, yeah, we're going to arrest.
Listen. Yeah, I did that. Are you calling?
Run down.
What?
It will run the battery down. That's what I want them to get on over.
God.
Cell phone here.
That's not good at all.
Chip.
Otis. Oops. I didn't mean to. Did you call him? Just video this, you know.
This is ridiculous.
Hey!
We're not really quick.
Oh. It just quit.
Don't say it. You get tired.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Okay. There they are.
That's y'all's car going off.
I remember, like, what was going on?
Did you do that?
I opened the door and it went nuts.
Did you do that? Cut it off?
Yeah.
It was,
I'm trying to.
it was unlocked, and when Hannah opened it, with your lock in there and your cell phone.
I hit the lock, and I keep forgetting those back doors not locked unless I manually lock them.
Oh my God, we have been obnoxious out here.
How long's it been doing?
That guy's
like
just
that?
like, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Everybody's running. Oh my God.
Are you alright?
Look at you.
Yeah, we had like a couple people come over here like, what the heck?
Oh my gosh. Mess.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that.